Hi friends, welcome to IT Port. In this session we are going to see about what is statistics in SQL Server and what are the basics of statistics in SQL Server. Statistics refers to the statistical information about the distribution of values in one or more columns of a table or an index. SQL Server Query Optimizer uses statistics to estimate the distribution of values in one or more columns of a table or index views and the number of rows to create a high quality query execution plan. Often statistics are created on a single column, but it's not uncommon to create statistics on multiple columns. So the statistics completely used to create a high quality query execution plan based on the columns, one or more columns of a table or index views. Here, now going to create one table. Before that, in SQL Server, the databases contains the default settings for the statistics or in the options auto create statistics is true and auto update statistics is true. These two properties are used to pre-tuning the indexes statistics on indexes on particular columns for the statistics updation. So here the statistics based on columns and the indexes. See, it's just going to create one table. Person, create table person ID, first name, middle name and last name without primary keys, without primary key and indexes. Just create it and pause this. Going to insert from advanced person. Here I click the query, it retrieves 90,000 and going to insert this data to person with go statement 10. Look. So just executed. Now the data are 1,99,000 records are available at person. Here. See, we can check what are the statistics are available for that object using SSMS. See, here the person, and we can see the column details and key details, constraints, triggers, indexes and statistics. Here there is no statistics. Here now I am going to fetch the data with person ID less than or equal to 568. Now the engine will automatically create the statistics for that column person ID in the table person. This is a column based statistics objects. See, it retrieves 4,290 rows. What are the records? Contains the person ID less than or is equal to 568. So 4290 rows retrieved. Now refresh the statistics and we can see the statistics name. These are the statistics object created based on the column. What are the columns are used in filter conditions. Often columns are automatically creates statistics objects when we use the where class, group by, order by. So these columns automatically updated with the statistics. Here we can see what are the statistics are created in the object using this query. This is based on SSMS, and we can use this query to retrieve your SQL statement. So these are the object ID is person and the name, the statistics name and statistics ID auto created. So these are the some properties. So now these are 568 4290 rows, and this is a DBCC console statements used to show the information about statistics. These are the syntax. DBCC show statistics with the table name or index name. Table name here, the index name or statistics name. This is table and this is the statistics name. We can see it in later sessions, show statistics in detail. Now just explain with the simple data. So here we should pass the statistics column name here. Just it is a header data and density data and the histogram data. These data are used to retrieve the cardinality, the number of rows to be written for this SQL statements. Mostly these statistics are updations based on the update statistics or HP_update states and the auto update statistics. What are the options to be updated in the SQL database? So just in this session we are just going to check with the histogram data. In our upcoming sessions we should check with stored statistics in detail. So this is header data and this is for density and this is for histogram. We can fetch with only histogram. So it displays distribution rows. These are the range key. So here the person ID is a key column. And this is the range of rows between these two ID here. So you see, just I am going to fetch the data with 421. So these are the data. Here there are 3560 rows. It arranged from see, this is when person ID is 1, there are 10 equal rows. So 10 rows. So these are the range rows between 1 to 154 is 1520. This is excluded of bounding value. So between 1 and 154, except 154, there are 1520 rows are available for this ID, and this is equal rows for that 154 ID for. So between 1 and 153 is containing 1520 rows and 154 ID contains 10 rows. Here the way we can fetch the 421, there are 3560 rows arrived from the statistics information. For first one is 10 and the range rows 1520 plus and 10 plus 2010 plus 10, 3560. So equal rows before that up to 421. So So these statistics informations are updated for this statistics in the present table. So we change it to 154. Just 154 less than or is equal to 154. It returns 1540 rows. That is 1540. Here 10 plus 1540 plus 10. Only less than 154. It returns 1530. Except this equality rows 154. So these are the data used to return the number of rows cardinality from the table through the SQL statements. And these are the status used in the execution plan. Select, we can get the 1530 rows, estimated rows. Here the listed data 1530, estimated number of rows are 1530. So these are the statistics informations we can fetch from the table or indexed views. So we can see in detail. We should check in our upcoming seasons the creation and updation on the statistics column. So these are the basics of statistics in SQL Server. Hope this topic will be very useful to you. If you like this session, please like and subscribe. Thank you, friends.